Good evening, everyone. It is the end of day 8, so we have one more day to go for our install and training week. And I have been terrible at recording. We have been so busy every day with all the things, and today we really had kind of all hands on deck and got just a lot of things finished up and processed. So what I'm going to do is just pop in some photos of the snapshots I've taken kind of the last couple of days. I'll try to give a little bit of context to them in the text and just let you kind of get a little bit of glimpse from that. And then somehow I will have to catch up the last few days on the longer vlog, probably after we get home this week. So anyway, it's been great. Things are working really well. We've learned a lot. We certainly have a lot of things we can continue to experiment with and a lot more fun to be had. But there's some beautiful yarns on the drying rack. So the next video will probably be some beauty shots of that. All right, bye y'all, enjoy.